what is homogeneous differential equation? Homogeneous differential equation. So before going into the topic of homogeneous differential equation, we have to study homogeneous function, है ना? What is homogeneous function? So let's start with the homogeneous function. Definition of homogeneous function. First, we have to study homogeneous function. So let me write down the definition of homogeneous function. Before studying the homogeneous differential equation, we have to study what is homogeneous function. So definition of homogeneous function. A function f of xy, function of two variable f of xy, है ना? तो मुझे स्तवन बताएगा, this is implicit function. A function f of xy, implicit function, is said to be a homogeneous function. कौन सा function? It's said to be a homogeneous function. A implicit function f of xy is said to be a homogeneous function of degree n. Homogeneous function of degree n if this is the important condition, है ना? Function f of xy is said to be a homogeneous function of degree n if or function is function of two variables x and y. Two variables are present, so it's said to be a homogeneous function of degree n if we can write f of lambda x lambda y equal to lambda raised to n f of xy. Done? Where lambda, what is lambda? Lambda is a non-zero constant. Lambda is a non-zero constant. Non-zero constant. So this is the definition of homogeneous function. हमारे पास फंक्शन होगा, वो फंक्शन होगा implicit function. It is the function of two variable f of xy. So if you want to check the given function is homogeneous function or not, for that we have to check this condition. So what is the meaning of this condition? So in the given implicit function, which is the function of variable x and y, we have to put the value of we have to replace the value of x with lambda x and replace the value of variable y with lambda y, and then we have to simplify the function. And if we are getting the function in terms of lambda raised to n into f of xy, जो भी फंक्शन था ना, वो फंक्शन के आगे lambda मल्टीप्लिकेशन में आना चाहिए. So that power of lambda is nothing but the degree of that homogeneous function. Done? So it's a homogeneous function of degree n. एक एग्जांपल करते हैं तो समझ में आएगा. फॉर एग्जांपल, है ना, implicit function. So function of variable x and y, we are having one implicit function which is function of variable x and y as y square plus 2xy. We have to check whether this given function is implicit function or not. Done? तो इसके लिए क्या करेंगे? So for this we have to check this condition f of lambda x lambda y. So here, what is the f of lambda x lambda y? So here we have to replace x with lambda x and y with lambda y in our function. So y square is there. So y square is nothing but the lambda y square plus 2. X is there. X we have to replace with lambda x, and y is there. Replace y with lambda y. So what is the simplification? Lambda y whole square, है ना? It's a y square, so it's a lambda y whole square. So it's a lambda square y square plus 2 lambda x lambda y. So it's a lambda square. So 2 lambda square xy. So here we can take this lambda square common. So lambda square common, and again we are getting function y square plus 2xy. What is y square plus 2xy? It is our function. So here we are getting f of lambda x lambda y equal to lambda square into f of xy. Clear? Now, what we can say? This is the homogeneous function of degree 2. This given function, which is implicit function, is the homogeneous function of degree 2. Clear? Which is homogeneous function of degree 2. Now, next example. Here given function is f of xy equal to cos y upon x. We have to check whether the given function is implicit function or not. Sorry, homogeneous function or not. So here we are taking x as a lambda x, replace x with lambda x, y with lambda y. Hence, we are getting cos of lambda y upon lambda x. So here lambda lambda cut. So this is equal to again cos y upon x. So this cos y upon x can be written as lambda raised to 0 cos y by x. And hence, this is again homogeneous function of degree 0. It is the homogeneous function. It is the homogeneous function of degree 0. Done. Whatever the power of lambda is the degree of homogeneous function. So this is one homogeneous function of degree 0. Done. So homogeneous function अगर नहीं है कोई function तो कैसे होगा देखो. So for example, if you are having one implicit function f of xy which is equal to sin x plus cos y. Suppose this is given function of variable x and y. So here, if we check our condition, f of lambda x lambda y. So replace x with lambda x, y with lambda y. So this sin x is converted into sin lambda x plus cos y is converted into lambda y. So now, can you take this lambda common? Can you remove this lambda from with this x? No. So this is not in the form of f of lambda x lambda y equal to lambda raised to n. This is not in the form of lambda raised to n f of xy. Done. And hence this is not homogeneous function. This function is not homogeneous function. Done. So this is the first method. This is the method number 1 by which you can check whether the given function is homogeneous function or not. Second method, you can also check the given function is homogeneous function or not by using method number 2. So now consider method 2. This one is method number 1. What is method number 1? We are replacing x with lambda x, y with lambda y and getting the function in terms of lambda raised to n f of xy, and hence we can say that given function is the function of homogeneous function of degree n. Done. Now second method. In second method, we are given function. Suppose we are given function f of xy, one implicit function, and if we can represent this function f of xy in form of x raised to n into one function, g can be any function in terms of y by x, or x raised to n power into function of y by x, or function f of xy in the form of power of y raised to n, or some function which is in terms of x by y. Done. If you can represent the given implicit function in terms of x raised to n into some function of y by x, or the given function in terms of y raised to n and some function x by y, then given function is the homogeneous function. Homogeneous function of order n. For example, ये क्या बात हुई देखो, first example देखो ये, है ना? By using first method, we declare this given function is the homogeneous function of degree 2. Now, according to second method, if we can represent the given function in terms of x raised to n or y raised to n multiplied by some function which is in the term of, if x raised to n then function must be in term of y by x, if y raised to n then function must be in terms of x by y, then given function is said to be a homogeneous function. कैसे होगा देखो, for example again consider this example number 1, f of xy which is equal to y square plus 2xy, y square plus 2xy. So here we can represent this function in terms of x square into some function y by x, because maximum power is 2. So here we can take x square common from this y square plus 2xy, we can take x square common. So if we take x square common, this will be y square by x square plus from here it's a 2 into y by x. Done. So this is the function in terms of देखो x square into y by x square plus 2 y by x. So this is in the form of x raised to n into y by x form. This function is of y by x. Done. So here this is function of f of xy, x square into g of y by x. Clear? So this is the homogeneous function of degree 2 because it is in the form of x raised to n and some function y by x. Clear? You can also take y square common. So if you take y square common, so it's a 1 y square into 1 plus 2 x by y. So this will be in the form of x by y. So this function is homogeneous function of degree 2. Clear, students? So these are the two methods by which you can check whether the given function is homogeneous function or not. Example 2 भी check करते हैं चेक. Example number 2. Example 2 क्या था हमारा, f of xy equal to cos y by x. इसको हमने डिक्लेयर किया था दिस इज द होमोजेनियस फंक्शन ऑफ डिग्री 0. तो ये देखो पहले से ही y by x के फॉर्म में, so this is nothing but the which form, y by x. So this one is x raised to 0 cos y by x, it's x raised to 0 h of y by x form. So this is the homogeneous function of degree 0. पहले मैं इसको बताया था कि homogeneous function of degree 0. Done. So this is how you can check whether the given function is homogeneous function or not. Done. So now after discussing this homogeneous function, we have to study homogeneous equation. And our topic is homogeneous differential equation. So now we'll define our homogeneous differential equation. होमोजेनियस फंक्शन सबको समझ में आ गया? So after studying homogeneous function, now we'll define homogeneous differential equation. Homogeneous differential equation. So basically homogeneous differential equations are of two types. है ना, इसका जो फॉर्म होगा ना वो टू टाइप्स का फॉर्म होगा. टू टाइप्स है ना, टू टाइप्स. कौन से टू टाइप्स? देखो यहाँ पर हमने मेथड 1 में मेथड 2 में देखा कि होमोजेनियस फंक्शन कैन बी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ x raised to n into g of y by x, और होमोजेनियस फंक्शन मे बी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ y raised to n into h of x by y. ये दोनों फॉर्म में होमोजेनियस फंक्शन होगा. So according to these two form, our homogeneous differential equation is also in form of two equations. तो homogeneous equation भी हमारा दो फॉर्म में होगा. देखो कैसे. So homogeneous differential equation basically are of two types. So what is the definition? A differential equation. Definition of homogeneous differential equation. That means differential equation तो है लेकिन वो homogeneous भी है. तो differential equation की definition हमें पता है. What is differential equation? A equation which consists of derivative. है ना, हमने equation study किया था, उसके बाद differential equation study किया, उसके बाद homogeneous. So what is differential equation? equation which consists of derivative. So derivative is dy by dx. So any equation which is in the form of dy by dx, that is a differential equation, and that differential equation consists of homogeneous function f of xy. So dy by dx equal to f of xy if this f of xy is homogeneous function of degree 0. Now, this equation is said to be a homogeneous differential equation if our implicit function, which is f of xy, is homogeneous function of degree 0, is homogeneous function of degree 0. ये होमोजेनियस फंक्शन तो होना चाहिए, लेकिन कौन सी डिग्री का? 0 डिग्री का. डन. तो व्हाट इज द होमोजेनियस फंक्शन ऑफ डिग्री 0? देखो यहाँ पर लिखा है मैंने, दिस इज होमोजेनियस फंक्शन ऑफ डिग्री 0, है ना. x की जो पावर होती है वो डिग्री होती है, x रेस टू n इंटू जी ऑफ y by x और y रेस टू n इंटू h of x by y. दिस आर द होमोजेनियस फंक्शन. सो होमोजेनियस फंक्शन ऑफ डिग्री 0, है ना, हमने स्टडी किया होमोजेनियस फंक्शन ऑफ डिग्री n. तो होमोजेनियस फंक्शन ऑफ डिग्री 0 क्या होता है? सो होमोजेनियस फंक्शन ऑफ डिग्री 0 इज नथिंग बट द f of xy. ये फॉर्म में होगा f of xy, x रेस टू n की जगह पर होगा x रेस टू 0 इंटू g ऑफ y by x फॉर्म होगा फंक्शन का, और होमोजेनियस फंक्शन होगा f of xy इक्वल टू y रेस टू 0, है ना, डिग्री 0, और वो होगा इधर x by y के फॉर्म में. तो दिस आर द होमोजेनियस फंक्शन ऑफ डिग्री 0. ये होमोजेनियस फंक्शन ऑफ डिग्री 0 यहाँ पर पुट करो तो आपके डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन के दो फॉर्म मिलेंगे. डन. सो नाउ वी कैन राइट डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन, homogeneous differential equation. So what is homogeneous differential equation? So two forms of homogeneous differential equations, है ना. homogeneous function के दो फॉर्म होते हैं, differential equation ये फॉर्म में होता है, ये फंक्शन के दो फॉर्म. तो ये जो फंक्शन के दो फॉर्म है वो हम पुट करेंगे तो हमें डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन के दो फॉर्म मिलेंगे. दैट इज dy by dx. फर्स्ट फॉर्म इज our homogeneous differential equation is in the form of dy by dx equal to this x raised to 0 g of y by x, or this is y by x form, or it may be in the form of y raised to 0 h of x by y. Done. This is the standard form of homogeneous differential equation. Homogeneous differential equation. Clear? Students, now homogeneous differential equation ये फर्स्ट फॉर्म हो गया और ये सेकंड फॉर्म हो गया. Now we'll discuss algorithm to solve this homogeneous differential equation. Algorithm. So first, how to solve homogeneous differential equation which is in the form of this one, dy by dx equal to x raised to 0 g of y by x, है ना. ये जो फर्स्ट फॉर्म में कोई डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन है, होमोजेनियस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन, उसको कैसे सोल्व करेंगे? देखो, इसके लिए आपको क्या करना है? एल्गोरिथम. फर्स्ट स्टेप you to take this न्यूमरेटर. व्हाट इज द न्यूमरेटर? है ना, न्यूमरेटर दो टाइप के होते हैं, y by x में न्यूमरेटर y होता है और x by y फॉर्म में न्यूमरेटर x होता है. तो आपको ये न्यूमरेटर चेक करना है. अभी हम फर्स्ट इक्वेशन कंसीडर कर रहे हैं. सो योर न्यूमरेटर इज y. सो फर्स्ट स्टेप you to take y equal to vx, or you can say this y by x equal to, we are taking y by x equal to v, ना, जो y by x है ना उसको v ले लो. That means we are getting y equal to vx. Done. Take y equal to vx. Second step, differentiate this one on both side. देखो क्या हो रहा है, differentiate on both sides with respect to x. So differentiation on both sides with respect to x, we are getting dy by dx equal to uv rule, v, x differentiation of x is 1 plus x as it is differentiation of v. So x dv by dx. Done. So now put this value of dy by dx in our equation. This is given equation. So put dy by dx in equation 1. So put in equation number 1. So that is our third step. We are putting the value of dy by dx. That means this value of dy by dx in equation 1. So what we are getting? We are getting v plus x dv by dx इक्वल टू, है ना, ये रखा हमने, इक्वल टू ये लिखेंगे x एस टू जीरो, x एस टू जीरो, x एस टू जीरो मीन्स 1, है ना, x एस टू जीरो मीन्स 1 एंड g ऑफ y by x, g ऑफ y by x is nothing but the g of v, है ना, y by x इक्वल टू हमने v रखा है, तो इट्स g of v. क्लियर, ये x एस टू जीरो 1 हो गया. नाउ ये देखो एक डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन आ गया. नाउ अप्लाइंग वेरिएबल सेपरेशन मेथड, वेरिएबल सेपरेशन मेथड करो, वेरिएबल सेपरेशन. सो यूज वेरिएबल सेपरेशन. सो वेरिएबल सेपरेशन करेंगे तो v और x को साथ में रखेंगे. सो टेकिंग दिस v ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड, सो इट्स x dv by dx equal to g of v minus v. Taking this g of v minus v in the left hand side and x dx on the right hand side. So it's a 1 upon g of v minus v dv equal to 1 upon x dx. Done. And then you have to take integration on both sides, and after integration we have to put the value of v because v is our assumption, so v equal to y by x, and that will be your answer. Done. This is the algorithm to solve homogeneous differential equation in first form. Is that clear? समझ में आ गया क्या करना है? होमोजेनियस इक्वेशन फर्स्ट फॉर्म में क्या होता है? dy by dx equal to x to 0 g of y by x होता है. We have to take y equal to vx. This is our assumption. Let y equal to vx. y कौन सा लेना है? जो न्यूमरेटर होता है वो. सेकेंड केस में हमारा न्यूमरेटर x है तो हम x equal to कुछ assumption लेंगे. So y equal to vx. That means we are taking y by x equal to v. Now differentiate on both sides with respect to x because the denominator is x. So we have to differentiate on both sides with respect to x. So differentiation. So we are getting the value of dy by dx. Replace this dy by dx of, that is our derivative in differential equation, by this derivative, and then use variable separation. V and x, separate both the variables and take integration. And after the integration, put the original value of v. That is v equal to y by x. So we are getting our solution. Clear students? This is how to solve homogeneous differential equation in first form. Second form के लिए check करो. Second, how to solve differential equation in the second form. Now, second form of homogeneous differential equation, that is how to solve homogeneous differential equation in the form of dx by dy equal to y raised to 0, है ना, y raised to 0, डिग्री 0, ये तो 1 हो जाएगा, y raised to 0 h of x by y. डन. तो ये हमारा फॉर्म हो गया. अभी इसको y raised to 0 को रिमूव करके लिखते हैं. So it's a dx by dy equal to h of x by y. ये हो गया हमारा होमोजेनियस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. ये आपके इक्वेशन में दिया होगा. डन. अभी इसको सोल्व करना है तो क्या करेंगे? न्यूमरेटर, व्हाट इज न्यूमरेटर? x. So here we are taking x equal to, or we can say x by y. Let x by y equal to v, and hence we have to replace numerator x with vy. x को रिप्लेस करेंगे vy से. डन. दिस इज आवर assumption. नाउ नेक्स्ट स्टेप, differentiate on both sides with respect to x. So differentiate on both sides with respect to x. इसको differentiate करो with respect to, नहीं देखो x के नहीं करना है, यहाँ डिनोमिनेटर में क्या है? y. So here we have to differentiate on both sides with respect to y करना पड़ेगा, है ना, क्योंकि ये dx by dy है. तो इसको y के अकॉर्डिंग में डिफरेंशिएट करो. सो डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ x विद रिस्पेक्ट टू y, वी आर गेटिंग dx by dy ना. ये आपको इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये याद रखना है. डिफरेंशिएशन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू y, सो इट्स अ dx by dy इक्वल टू product rule v as it is, differentiation of y with respect to y 1 plus y as it is, differentiation of v with respect to y, it's a dv by dy. Now put this one in equation number 1. equation 1 में जो dy by dx by dy है उसको replace करो, and hence we are getting v plus y dv by dy equal to, here it's a h of x by y. Our x by y is v, it's the h of v. Now again variable separation. So variable separation क्या होगा? It's a y dv by dy equal to, taking this v on the right hand side, it's a h of v minus v. Again dv is there, so take this term into denominator, these two terms in the right hand side, and hence next step we are getting क्या होगा? 1 upon h of v minus v into dv equal to, this one is 1 upon y dy. Done. Now integrating on both sides, integrating on both sides. So integration of this one, it will be integration of 1 upon hv minus v with respect to v dv, and this one is integration of 1 upon y dy. Perform integration of this, and the last step we have to replace our v with assume value. ना v को क्या assume किया था? That is equal to x by y. So replace v with x by y, and that will be your final answer. So this is the basic algorithm to solve the homogeneous differential equation in the form of this one, है ना, dy by dx equal to h of x by y. Clear? Now exercise 9.5. So that the given differential equation is homogeneous equation and solve them. What is the instruction? First we have to show that given differential equation is homogeneous equation, and then we have to solve this homogeneous differential equation. So first question, the first given differential equation is x square plus xy dy equal to x square plus y square dx. Done. So first we have to show this is the differential equation. So differential equation कौन से फॉर्म में होते हैं? dy by dx equal to y by x, है ना, y by x के फॉर्म में होते हैं या फिर x by y के फॉर्म में होते हैं. तो देखो इसको चेक करते हैं. तो इससे dy by dx, ये dx को नीचे लाओ, तो this will be dy by dx equal to, this one is x square plus y square upon this one x square plus xy. dy by dx होमोजेनियस इक्वेशन होता है dy by dx इक्वल टू h ऑफ y by x के फॉर्म में, या फिर होता है dx by dy इक्वल टू g ऑफ x by h के फॉर्म में. ये h आप यहाँ पर यूज करो, यहाँ पर यूज करो, ये फंक्शन के लिए, है ना. dy by dx तो y by x के फॉर्म में होता है, dx by dy तो x by y के फॉर्म में होता है. तो दिस इज dy by dx, तो इसको y by x के फॉर्म में लिखे तो कैसा होगा? देखो dy by dx इक्वल टू, मैं यहाँ से x स्क्वायर कॉमन ले लूं, taking x square common, so it will be 1 plus y square by x square, 1 plus y square by x square. From this denominator, again I am taking x square common, so it's a 1 plus y by x. तो देखो x square cut, so this is our dy by dx, which is in the form of g of y by x. y by x के फॉर्म में आ गया, है ना. आप यहाँ पर g लिखो, h लिखो, p लिखो, q लिखो, देखिए ये फंक्शन है. सो dy by dx इक्वल टू y by x आ गया, है ना. 1 plus y by x होल स्क्वायर प्लस 1 plus y by x. So this is homogeneous differential equation, hence which is homogeneous differential equation. Done. प्रूव हो गया. Now we have to solve this homogeneous differential equation. So how to solve it? So now for the solution of this function, we will consider numerator. So what is the numerator? Numerator is y. So y is vx. We have to replace y with vx. है ना, ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हैं? क्योंकि हम y इक्वल टू y बाई एक्स ले रहे हैं, है ना, v इक्वल टू y बाई एक्स ले रहे हैं. So we can replace this y with vx. Differentiate on both sides. So what we are getting? dy by dx. Hence we are getting dy by dx equal to v plus x dv by dx. Differentiation on both sides. So what is the equation? ये equation होगा dy by dx equal to v plus x dv by dx, and this one देखो ये पूरा क्या होता है. So now our differential equation dy by dx is nothing but the v plus x dv by dx equal to ये 1 plus y by x whole square. Y by x is v, it's a 1 plus v square, and upon 1 plus v done. Now variable separation, taking this v on the right hand side, so it's a x dv by dx equal to 1 plus v square, 1 plus v minus v. Simplify करो, it's a x dv by dx equal to cross multiplication 1 plus v square minus v square upon 1 plus v. ये v square cut, so this is equal to 1 minus v 1 plus v. वेरिएबल सेपरेशन करेंगे तो ये 1 plus v ऊपर आएगा यहाँ पर, and therefore this one is 1 plus v upon 1 minus v into dv, और ये x सामने जाएगा डिनोमिनेटर में 1 upon x dx. So variable separation. Now taking integration on both sides. So integrating on both sides. So integration on both sides, we are getting 1 plus v 1 minus v dv equal to this one is integration of 1 upon x dx. Done. So integrate this and find your answer. At the final answer, we have to replace this v with y by x in your answer. Done. So this is how we can solve these homogeneous differential equations.